Hey there, World History! Guess what? You are in your final unit. Get excited! This is actually my favorite unit of all times. I know I have a lot of favorites. I always say this is my favorite lesson or this is my favorite assignment. It's just because I love World History. It's definitely my favorite subject. But I wanted to tell you a little bit about this unit. It has to do with the Cold War. You know, the war that wasn't really a war, but there were lots of wars that happened because of it. Yeah, that thing. We have our superpowers who have risen, the US and the USSR. After World War II, and now they are fighting around the globe for their ideologies, either capitalism and democracy or the dreaded communism. Okay, this is also a time where we start to see globalization taking place, and all that means is that we are coming together more as a globe, mostly because of technologies that we have where we can reach each other. All sorts of fun things are happening in this particular unit, and the best part is your performance task is a presentation. And there is a short discussion post as well, so that you get a little bit of modern, modern Middle Eastern conflicts and terrorism involved in that, okay? There is no unit test, so get really happy about that. Guess what? There is no short answer question either. I know. Please let me know if you have any questions going on into finals, and I've had a wonderful semester. Thank you guys.